10 Tips How to Make a Guy Fall in Love with You. Love is a complex emotion that grows from genuine connection and understanding. While you cannot force someone to fall in love, there are ways to inspire affection and build a strong bond. Small actions and sincere efforts can open the door to deeper feelings. Would you love to make him absolutely addicted to you? Learn about 3 ways to make a man addicted to you. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Here are 10 practical tips to help you create a meaningful relationship and make a guy fall in love with you. 1. Be yourself. Trying to be someone you're not rarely leads to lasting love. Show your true personality, including your strengths and imperfections. Authenticity builds trust and helps a guy appreciate the real you. 2. Show interest in his life. Ask questions about his hobbies, dreams, and opinions. Listening carefully and showing curiosity makes him feel valued and understood. 3. Be confident. Confidence is attractive because it shows you respect yourself. Stand tall, speak clearly, and believe in your worth. Avoid arrogance, be humble but sure of yourself. 4. Listen actively. When he talks, give him your full attention. Respond thoughtfully to what he says. This shows you care about his feelings and creates emotional closeness. 5. Create shared memories. Spend time together doing activities you both enjoy. Shared experiences build connection and make your bond stronger. 6. Keep some mystery. Don't reveal everything about yourself immediately. Letting him discover you over time keeps things exciting and interesting. 7. Be emotionally open. Don't be afraid to share your feelings and thoughts honestly. Being vulnerable encourages him to open up too, deepening your emotional connection. 8. Encourage and support him. Praise his achievements and offer encouragement. Positive words make him feel appreciated and respected. 9. Work on yourself. Keep growing as a person. Pursue your goals and interests. A partner who is independent and passionate is naturally attractive. 10. Show affection in small ways. Simple gestures like a kind word, a smile, or a gentle touch can communicate your feelings clearly. Thoughtful actions often speak louder than words. Building love takes time, patience, and sincerity. By being genuine, confident, and caring, you create a strong foundation that encourages a man's affection to grow. These 10 tips offer practical ways to deepen your connection and inspire lasting love. Do you want to keep your man's eyes on you and only you? Would you love to make him absolutely addicted to you? Learn about 3 ways to make a man addicted to you. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.